Yo, what's up guys, it's Hanif here and welcome to another color grading tutorial. In this video, we're going to be doing a MOODY color grading tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to turn your photo from this to this. So let's get started with the video. What's up guys, Hanif here. Before we continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video, and that really helps the channel too. So make sure you subscribe before you continue this video. Now let's just go straight to the point and edit this portrait. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing here is do the basic adjustments here. Let me just make a little bit of adjustments on the temperature. Let's bring it up a bit, like to make it a bit warmer. And then I don't think we'll touch the exposure yet. Let's just bring the shadows up a bit and the highlights. I think I like the highlights as this. Like the highlights, like I love how the light reflects on the skin a bit here. So I'm going to leave that there. Bring up the whites and then crush the blacks a bit, because we're going for a moody feel. Then add a little bit of contrast here. Then up the exposure a bit, just a little bit. We're going for a moody vibe here, so we shouldn't like overdo the colors and everything. We just want to give the photo a moody feel. Yeah, so now clarity, no one touches clarity, but let me just go a little bit like +5, and then reduce the saturation by like 10 is alright. Between 10 and 7 should be okay. Now let's go to the tone curve where most of the work here will be done. For the tone curve, I'm just now the main key to this field is usually crushing the blacks here. Like just lift up the blacks here. Yeah, I'm going to crush my blacks here. It really gives it that moody vibe. Then the shadows, bring it down a bit for more contrast, and then my midtones, leave that up, and then my highlights, let me bring it down a bit as well. So as you can see, the tone curve is like the main key to this image here. Let's make more adjustments to the tone curve. Let me move to the red channel at my point here, and then I'm just going to bring the highlights of the red down to add a little bit of blues in the shadows here. Just a little bit of blues in the shadows, and that's basically it. That's all I want there. And maybe go to my blue channel as well. Let's bring a little bit of reds to the shadows. As you can see, I love how this is coming out so far. And let's bring the blue up a bit. Now, sorry, I think I said I was adding blues to the shadows. I mean highlights. Yeah, so I think I'm done with the tone curve. Let's show you before and after the tone curve. Before the tone curve and after the tone curve. As you can see guys, the tone curve is like the key to the feel of this image here. So it's really important that you understand your tone curve and how it works. I already made a tutorial on tone curve, but I might just make an updated one so you guys flow up better. So it's saturation here. I'm going to desaturate a lot of things here. Like, let me desaturate the greens. I feel like the greens is a little bit noisy here. As you can see, I've desaturated the greens. The blues desaturated a bit. I feel like it's a bit too much. And the reds a bit too. Orange a bit too. Yeah, a little bit of this, like lots of saturation here. And the blues, let's give the blues like a more cyan look, sort of regular blue look. So as you can see guys, like this is like the main look has been achieved. We don't need to do too much here, but let's just go to the shadows, the split tones here. My shadows at 37 and my saturation at 4, and then my highlights usually are I like some blues on my highlights. Let's just keep at 130, and then bring up saturation up a bit. I usually like a bit of blues in my highlights. So let's show you guys a quick before and after here. This is a before and this is an after. You can see guys, like we have really gotten the look that we're going for. Yeah, so let's go to the details. I like sharpening a bit, just a bit of sharpening, and then camera calibration. Most time we just play around with this. Let's bring it up a bit, saturation down, play with these two. Let's bring saturation down a bit as well, and then yeah, let's just leave the blue. So yeah, we're basically done with this image, and that was so fast. Like in just basically 5 minutes, we have color graded this image and give it a very moody look. So you guys can go over the video over and over again, see how the process was done, then try to like imitate this on your own images. That's fine. So let me show you guys a quick before and after again. This before and after of this image. So guys, if you love this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.